Man. I hate that boring classic Caillou. He is always a good boy and never causes trouble.
I know, right, Ronald? We should get him arrested or something.
Hey Nature Cat. Your words just gave me an idea.
What was your idea?
We get classic Caillou arrested by littering a pizza.
Oh, Ronald. You are such a genius. Let's get him arrested by littering a pizza so we don't have to deal with classic Caillou.
Time to get Mom and Dad some food. Hey, who littered a pizza on the street? You are under arrest for littering a pizza on the street. But officer, I didn't do it. It was laying there. I don't care. Get in the police car now. This is your cell, with nothing. Who could have gotten me arrested? Wait a minute, I think it was Ronald and Nature Cat that littered the pizza and got me arrested for no reason. Classic Caillou, I heard everything you said. You are now released. I will call Hal to ground Ronald and Nature Cat.
Oh, Ronald and Nature Cat, how dare you get classic Caillou arrested for no reason? That's it. You are grounded until Alistair Animate gets 1,000 subscribers.
Go to your room now. And don't come out until we say so.
Wow.